The pros and cons of your different gutter guard systems, again, are really going to be relevant to your home. Not only your home, but the type of tree coverage, the vegetation coverage you have on the outside of your home, the types of trees, whether you have evergreen trees, if you have the locust trees that drop the little helicopters, if you have oak trees that drop that oak bloom. There's different gutter covers for all of those scenarios that are going to work better or worse than other ones. We have gutter guards that I mean range from $350 a foot all the way up to really as much as you're willing to spend on them, depending on what your needs and wants are on your home. Most typically we narrow it down to about 3 different ones. And we kind of have a good, better, best system. But again, that good, better, best is something we're only going to be able to budge on if we know it'll work given the types of trees, vegetation, the steepness of your roof, whether it's metal or regular architectural shingles. So all of those are factors in determining the proper gutter guard for your home. The obvious pro to keeping leaves out of your gutters are really going to be to avoid clogged downspouts. Clogged downspouts are going to come with overflow issues. Those overflow issues, especially if you have a walkout basement, could lead to basement issues, water issues. Other than that, just irritation, right? Your gutters get full of leaves. They sit there for a long time. You see things start growing out of them. It's an eyesore. So even if you don't have a home that's necessarily susceptible to like a basement water issue or a drainage issue, it can just be an eyesore. Overflowing gutters can lead to ruts in the yard. It could lead to not growing grass around the edges of your home. So depending on what you want for your home and what you want for your property, leaves in gutters can cause a lot of problems for you. Contrary to what some companies may try and sell you, there's absolutely not a perfect gutter guard system for your home. I mean, there are a lot of companies out there that will tell you that they guarantee their gutter guard system from water overflowing, or they guarantee it from allowing any debris in. Most typically what we found is if a gutter guard will not let any debris in whatsoever, you're going to see a buildup sometimes. Especially when things are wet, they get caught up on different edges, ridges, holes in the gutter guard system. Lots of times when things dry out on a nice windy summer day, those blow away. But for everything you gain with a gutter guard, you give up something. So the more solid the cover, the more things it keeps out, the lesser amount of water flow you get through that gutter guard or over that gutter guard and into your gutter. So one is absolutely relevant to the other, which is why we try really hard to do our due diligence in the inspection and find something that works for your vegetation, your trees, how fast water's coming down, the pitch of your roof. All those are determining factors and what the best system is for you.